Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. Thank you for joining me today for another video. This is going to be a quick one. It is Sunday at almost 10 a.m. I usually record at night, but completely exhausted from all the house rentals going on. I had my brother over yesterday. He was here till 9:30. He finished all the electrical. I'm so excited because we now finally have lights and plugs and light switches all in the new part of the home. So finally, no more darkness, no more using extension cords with bright lights. So it's nice to finally get that all in. We have hardwood floors being installed this week. I'm super excited. So we're close. My husband and I spent the whole day, and I literally mean the whole day, painting. I did a little quick video, so I'll put up a reno video soon. I know a lot of you have been wondering. It's been almost 5 weeks since I did another reno video. Yeah, we had to paint the main floor to get it ready for hardwood floors to be installed. So I can honestly say I hate painting right now. When you have to paint one little room, it's okay. But when you have to paint like 2,000 square feet on the main floor, well, not 2,000, but let's see. No, almost. The whole house has to be painted. So we're looking at almost 3,000 square feet. So yes, my husband and I are doing that because we don't want to pay over $10,000 for a painter to do it when we can do it ourselves. So anywho, that's where we're at. So I'm going to do a quick video for you guys today, and I'm going back to the gray series. I wanted to do something different, change it up a little bit with the gray. So what we have here is a 12 by 16 inch canvas, and I've actually done it. I've laid it down this way, landscape orientation. I don't know. Horizontally. There. How about that? Horizontally, I thought I'd try it this way. I typically do them vertically, but I thought I'd switch it up a bit. So what we have here is Artist Loft Flow Acrylic white and black mixed together to make gray. Okay. I used, for the shade of gray that I make, I use 90% white paint and 10% black paint of my mix. Okay. So that is how I make my gray. I find it's just much easier to make it this way as opposed to using gray out of a tube, and a lot less expensive as well. Because then you could just make whatever shade of gray you want. You want it darker, you want it lighter, you want it really light. You can make that decision by making your own. All right, so, and as I mentioned, or I'm going to mention, if you want to know the ratios of how I mix my paints in here and in my squeeze bottles, check out video number 63. I will link it up at the top. That is a video of how I mix my paints for my Dutch pours. You can't really use it for any other technique. It's mainly for Dutch pours. You could potentially use it for a ring pour, but that's about it. I like doing my Dutch pours. I know I don't do different things, but this is what works for me. I had a comment on one of my videos the other day, which is totally fine. I respect people's opinions. I really do. And the viewer asked, why don't I do something different for a change? Well, I have a lot of commissions to complete, which are all Dutch pours. I love doing Dutch pours, and my Dutch pours sell. So I don't want to do a ring pour. I don't want to do other techniques where you guys may not like them, and then they're just going to be sitting in my basement collecting dust and not selling. So I know my Dutch pours sell. I know everyone, almost everyone, likes to watch me do my Dutch pours. So because of that, that's why I do Dutch pours. I've done the bloom technique, and I've done a few other techniques way in the past, but I just really like my Dutch pours. And right now, life is so crazy, hectic, busy and all the bottles I have are all mixed for Dutch pours. So if I wanted to do a different technique right now, I would literally have to spend time mixing paints for a new technique. And quite frankly, I just don't have the time for that. Not with everything going on with the house renos. Christmas is around the corner. We are doing our best and working our hardest to get at least the main floor completed so that we can put up Christmas decorations and a Christmas tree for the kids, because it's not Christmas without a tree. You know, Santa's supposed to come and put presents under the tree, right? We have an elf on the shelf. I'm not sure if you guys know what that is. Any moms out there probably know what that is, but our elf on the shelf Sparkles arrives on December 1st every year. So the kids, you know, anxiously await, you know, for Sparkle's arrival. So got a lot to do, and we want to make sure the kids get to at least enjoy a special Christmas. With everything going on in the construction and the chaos, we want to make sure that the kids still have a wonderful Christmas. So life is busy. So let's pop the bubbles real quick, and then I'll tell you guys what colors I'll be using today. All right, so typically with my gray series Dutch pours, I've been choosing one color. I've done purples, I've done the turquoise, I've done like the dark navy phthalo blues. What else? So this time, oh, I did the magenta with the portrait pink. I did yellows and gold. I did the green and the gold. So I've done quite a few colors. What I haven't done is a bunch of those colors together. So I will tell you guys the pretty colors I am using today. We are going to start with Deep Magenta by Artist Loft. Then I have Permanent Blue Violet by Amsterdam. Then we have Sterling Silver by DecoArt. Then Phthalo Blue by Academy or Grumbacher. And then I'm going to use Lilac Bloom by ArtMinds. So here's that ArtMinds paint. You guys all know about the ArtMinds. And then Metallic Cobalt Blue by Artist Loft. So the ArtMinds, you all know it's on clearance in all the Michaels stores. And I went and stocked up, and my mom bought me a whole bunch of them as well. And I did that sea glass, and it sold up like crazy. However, let's see what happens when I use just one or two colors in a regular Dutch pour. I'm pretty sure it's going to work out just fine, because I did that with that brown base Dutch pour that I had done, and it turned out beautifully. Now, one quick note for all my Canadian viewers. Floetrol is on sale right now. Here in Ontario, I know Deluxe Paint Stores is the only place that sells Floetrol. So find a Deluxe Paint Store. I know outside of Ontario, there's other places that may sell Floetrol, but here where I live, only Deluxe Paint Store sells it. And guys, it is on sale. Up until December 31st, at least my Deluxe Paint Store has Floetrol on sale for 50% off if you are a CAA member, which is kind of like a tow truck company. So if your car breaks down, you need roadside assistance. So I am a CAA member. So Floetrol at Deluxe for 1 gallon is $32.99, and you can now get it for 16 bucks. Let me tell you, I stocked up and I bought 8 gallons of Floetrol. I had them special order me 8 gallons because they only usually carry 2 gallons at a time at the store. But I called them up in advance and I said, when you make your next order, please order me 8 gallons. So they did, and they're sitting right there in the corner in a big box. 8 gallons of Floetrol. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to write the date on them, because I will be curious to see how long 8 gallons of Floetrol is going to last me. So for those of you in Canada, go and run to Deluxe Paint Store and get yourself some Floetrol. All right. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to do my typical lines here. I debated whether I should go diagonally or not. Actually, you know what? Maybe I will. Maybe I will go diagonally. Yeah, why not? Let's do that, shall we? Since the canvas is in the way that it is. horizontally. So let's try that. It'll be interesting. And in my typical gray series pours, I add black and white as part of the colors, but I actually took them out this time. Since I have 6 colors already, I thought adding black and white might be, 8 colors would be a little much. So I took the black and white out, but we'll see how this one turns out. And of course, I'm practicing on smaller canvases, because if it ends up being really pretty, then I can try a bigger canvas. I'm sure it'll be pretty because these colors are super pretty. Wow, that phthalo blue looks really nice. Alrighty, all the colors are down. Let's pop the bubbles. All right, and let's blow this out and see what pretty colors we get. I'm gonna start here in the middle, so let's see what happens. I love these colors. And look at the cells that are forming. Oh, it's so pretty. Now there's a big streak of the lilac bloom in here. Guess I didn't blow it properly, but I'm so happy. Look how pretty it is. I wish the lilac bloom was a little more dominant in the rest of it. I seem to have lost a lot of it. There, I wanted to blow some of that there. That actually looks better there. I'm afraid if I do it in here, I just might mess it up. So I'm not sure I want to touch that. But look how pretty, when I bring you guys down for a close-up, you're going to see how pretty this is. I really like these colors. And look at this, when I bring you down, you'll see the magenta with the permanent blue violet. There's a nice pretty streak right here as well. I'm not going to torch any of this. I actually like exactly the way it is. I don't think I want to do anything with it. Maybe. Oh, I got my necklace in there, bugger. I always get my necklace in there. All right, that's better. I kind of pushed a little bit of the purple out just to kind of make the line a bit thicker. Okay, I like that. And I'm gonna leave it just like that. So I'm gonna bring you guys down for a close-up. And of course, we'll do it with the studio lights on and then turn the lights off and check out that shimmer. So be right back. All right, everybody. So here we are with the studio lights on. But before I show you, I wanted to show you here in this midst of a mess. There's my 8 gallons of Floetrol. So I am stocked up and ready to go. All right, let's zoom back out here. There we go. So here it is. I am super happy with the cell formation that's happening here. And don't forget, I've cleaned up all my sides, made sure, missed a few spots. So see those white spots down there? You'll want to fix those up. Actually, I'm going to fix those up. Oops, I'm not paying attention. I'm going to fix those up off camera. But, and don't forget, you must take a popsicle stick and you want to scrape off. You see all those drips? You got to get rid of those. Get rid of those drips. You got to scrape those off all the way around. Hi, Sophia. My daughter's home. She's been away since Friday. She went to my parents' house to spend the weekend with her cousins and she just got back. So she's down here because she missed me. Okay, so let's get to the close-up here. Look how pretty this is. I'm super happy with how this turned out with all these all my favorite colors put together. blues, turquoise, purple, all my favorite colors put together. So there you have it with the studio lights on. I love it. Let's turn the studio lights off and see what shimmer we get. And here we have the studio lights off. And let's check out the shimmer. And there it is. So of course, this will get, oh, look how pretty that part is. That is so nice. So as I was saying, this will get a coat of Krystal resin, top coat. For those of you who are interested in trying Krystal resin, you can save 5% off your order. The resin is already on sale on the website, so you can save an extra 5% off of that using code Kanella5. Now keep in mind, this is a Canadian website, so if you are in the US, you not only save 5% and it's on sale, but with the conversion rate of American to Canadian, it's actually cheaper for you guys. So you're actually saving even more. And get this, the owner told me that he is trying his best to do a promo code for free shipping, and that includes the US. Free shipping is already Canada-wide, but he's doing his best for the month of December to do free shipping. So let me talk to him a little bit more about that, but I'm pretty sure that's what's gonna happen. But don't quote me, it's not 100%, but he told me that and put the little bug in my ear. So there could potentially be free shipping to the US for the month of December. So stay tuned. Today's what, November 29th? So wait another couple of days and I'll let you guys know if that's actually going to happen. And I think that's it for now. So this piece is available for purchase. If anyone is interested in purchasing this piece, you can email me at canellaciraco@gmail.com and you can claim this piece. So thank you guys so much for watching. Everything you need to know is listed in the description below. Please subscribe to my channel. If you are new watching, I would really appreciate it if you hit that red subscription button and hit the notification bell. All my information is listed in the description below. You have the Loli Veffy discount, 10%, Krystal resin discount, also 5%. There's an Arteza discount for Arteza paints. That's also down below. My Amazon links, if you'd like to shop on Amazon and click and go to Amazon visiting through my link, I would appreciate that. So that's it for now, guys. If anyone is interested in any calendars, I'm probably going to do one more order. And that's it for the year, for the rest of the year. So if you're interested, email me, canellaciraco@gmail.com. So until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a good day, have a good night, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Bye.